Lahat.
Oh, pilot on low pressure. Ready na, Timon? Sir, good evening, sir.
Ilan rack mo? 4.2 sir.
4.2 po, sir.
4.2?
Oh, yes, sir.
Ikot natin diretso.
Oh, diretso, sir.
Okay.
Mabor naman.
Yung, ano man, clutch type?
Clutch type, yes, sir. Forward and up. Abisoy, ready na kayo forward and up.
Mahal na po.
Wala na, sir.
Station number 6, up. Fourth quarter.
Okay, copy up. Thank you.
Ready na forward, sir.
Okay, ready na forward. Ready ka na po pa?
Ready na, sir. Ready na. 777.
Okay, ready na. Ready na forward and up, sir. Let go everything.
349.
Okay, let go line forward. Area headline and third line up.
Let go start line. Bye.
Okay, sunod agad yung spring nyo forward and up.
Copy, sir.
Okay.
Third line, sir.
Okay. Abiso pamaya, propeller clear ka kap.
Copy, sir.
Okay.
Forward line on deck, sir.
Okay. Clear ka na yung spring line mo? Oh, let go line forward, spring line mo, area na todo.
Roger, Maria forward.
Okay. Area na spring mo up.
Yeah, spring up.
Ipalibre sa line man ha, baka masabit dyan sa ano, sa pinder ko pa.
Roger. Tira, spring, tira. Good.
Oh.
There and see. All lines on deck forward, sir.
Okay, all lines on deck forward, thank you.
Spring line up, ibingin.
Copy up, ibingin.
Para mo na ATC. Isa ka provider ha?
Push clear.
Okay propeller clear up, thank you.
All lines on deck.
Okay, all lines on deck up, propeller clear, thank you.
Mas kayo.
Tapos gaga sir, gamay kayo dali ra kay may birahon.
Stop gauge ba? Roger, kasi lang, continue sa discharging naman, di mababawasan din.
Oh, ilahan na yung tagbot sir, sa Burita.
What?
1434.
Roger, sir, sige lang,
Oh.
sir. Computin lang natin,
Sige, sir.
para
Oh, sir.
Bagay na 5 meters.
Oh, 5 meters dire sir. Pupa, let go taga pupa.
kapilit ko taga.
Okay.
Line clear up.
Okay. Dead slow ahead. Proa, aliya mo na provider proa.
Area pro
Okay.
Big
Ah,
up,
sige, sir.
line clear.
Okay, tagline clear up. Thank you.
Ito pa, sir, nandito pa.
Ariagan po yung provider proa. Mabilis na yung mabante.
Okay, sir, nakasnop na, sir.
Oh. Okay, tagbot clear up. Thank you. Midship. 4.3. Steady.
Okay, ba to?
Stop engine.
106.
Okay, Kap.
Sige sir, salamat sir. Ingat lagi sir. God bless sir. Oh,
Ingat.
ingat sir. God bless. Ano? Oh, ticket. Kaway-kaway dong. Di ba mo klaro, git-git. Okay, sir, amping God bless sir. Amping perme sir. God bless.
Sir, 5S 10.
Naog na tong piloto ko, baba na siya. Tuning kuanon dire. Naaman siya dire mong baba. Ato na stop makina kay sugay ni mo daga, musuto yan ni, maabot ni 7 to 8 knots, ilang seconds lang. Shout out kay Kuan, kay NHTC6. Kapag naog na pilot, ato na ni secured forward na. Tapos pa-dismiss din nato. Dito na natin yung pilot. Mana duties pilot, amping sir, shout out sa mga magagaling na piloto dito sa Manila. Okay, pilot off. Secured na nato. Forward and up, secured everything, forward and up. Thank you, dismiss.